Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to teleport a player from one place to another in your Roblox game. There are many tutorials out there on how to teleport, but most of them do not show you how to teleport an R15 and an R6 body type. They usually work for one or the other. The way I'm going to show you will work for both, and it's really simple. Okay, let's get started. First, you want to be in Roblox Studio and you want to open a place. This is a place I created for this tutorial. We're going to need a block to step on to teleport from, and then another one to teleport to. So let's add two parts to our place. And we're going to move this one over here. Let's resize it. Zoom in a little. And we'll make that one pink. And then we'll go over here, resize this one, make this one yellow. And let's move that one somewhere like over there, out of the way. Okay, now we're going to have to name these places or these blocks. The first one here, let's name this yellow block. Keep it simple. And we'll call this one pink block. You can name these whatever you want, but just remember, whatever you name them here, you're going to need to use in the script. Okay, to get started with the script, first you want to pick the pink block. You want to right click, go to Insert Object, look for Script, add a script. And let's make this a little bit larger. Let's get rid of the print hello world. We don't need that. And we're going to define some variables. The first thing we're going to define is the block that we're currently in. Let's see, let's call this local transport from equals script.Parent. Then we want to define the block we're going to transport to, so we're going to call that transportTo. And this is where we want to remember what we named the other block. We're going to go to game, workspace, and we want to go to the yellow block. Make sure you spell everything exactly the same. If you don't, it will not work. And we're also going to need to add some debound, so we'll make another variable called enabled, and we'll set that to equal to true. Okay, now to trigger this, we are going to step on the block, so we're going to want a touched event. So we're going to do transport from touched, connect, function, hit. I like to add a weight in here. You can play around with this. It's not absolutely necessary, but I like to put it in there. Okay, now we want to check if it's actually a player who touches the block. So we're going to look for the humanoid. So we're going to go local humanoid. Humanoid equals hit.Parent FindFirstChild humanoid. And if there is a humanoid, that will return true. So we're going to check if humanoid. And we want to know if it's enabled. If that's true, then what I like to do is put the character, make a variable for that. Oops, sorry, let me do local character equals hit.Parent. And we also want to change enabled to false. And this is where you're going to actually move the player. So we're going to take character.HumanoidRootPart.CFrame. Make sure you have a capital C and a capital F on that. And you want to make that equal to CFrame.New transportTo.Position. So you're going to the position of that block, and we're going to add, I like to add a little, so you don't actually land on the block, you would land near the block. To do that, you would add a vector3 vector3.new, and I like to do it 10 on the X, 5 on the Y, 0 on the Z. Okay, then we can end that. And then we want to wait 3, and then turn enabled to true again. Oh, sorry, I can't type today. And that should do it. Oh, looks like I have an extra in here. Let's just take care of that. Just have to tidy it up a bit. Okay, now let's give it a try. So if we go in, this is an R15 character. I go over to that pink block. It should teleport me over to, yep, there I am. I'm near the yellow, but we can't go back yet. Now let's fix that. So stop here. In order to teleport back from the yellow to the pink, what we need to do is go to the script over here, right click, click copy, then click on the yellow block where you want to transport from again, and you want to right click and paste into. Then you want to open this script that's in the yellow block, so double click that, and you're going to change this line. The only thing you need to change is on this line right here. The local transport to equals game.Workspace. And this is where we're going to transport to, so we're going to change this to PinkBlock. And that's all you need to change. And let's give that a try. So if we go to the pink block, it pops us over to the yellow. If we go to the yellow, it pops us to the pink, and we can go back and forth. And another thing, let me just stop this for a second. You can move these around since the position is tied to the block itself. You can move this one over here, make this one, whoops, little, oh, get away from me. Let's move this one way over here. And you don't have to change the script at all. Now, there he is. Pop back. And to show you that this works on the R6, I'm going to go into the test server with one player. This might take a second. Okay, and there's our R6 character type, and works just the same. Okay, and let me show you the script one more time that goes in both of these. You just have to remember to change the one line where you're transporting to. Let me scroll on out. Does it want to scroll? Oh, there we go. Okay, so this is the full script. So you want to make sure it's in each block, and you want to change this line here. And then what finds the character is a humanoid root part, CFrame. That's what you're going to look for. Instead of looking for torso or upper torso or checking to see one or the other, that should get you where you need to go. There will be a link to this teleport test place in the description below. The place will be on copy lock, so if you want to make a copy of the place, go right ahead. This is the first tutorial I uploaded, and I'm hoping to make some more. If you have any questions about this tutorial or any suggestions for future tutorials, please let me know by leaving me a comment below. I'm still learning, but I'll do my best to help you out if I can. I hope this was useful to you and helped you out. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.